Good morning everyone. Good morning student. How are you? I hope everyone is fine at home. Okay. Uh, Previous Rajni ma'am is taking your class. Now, right now onwards I will take your class. Previously you will learn in this chapter number 1. What is the name of chapter number 1? Plants increasing the numbers. In this chapter you have learned new plants from seeds, a seed and its parts, seed germination, dispersal of seed, new plants from other plant of the plant, crops and vegetables. All of you have learned this chapter explanation by Rajni ma'am. Now I will take class from right onwards. Now in previous lecture Rajni ma'am explained you about the exercise of this chapter. Tick the correct option, fill in the blanks, true or false. From right onwards, I will explain you answer the following question of this chapter. Question, answer the following. Answer following questions. Okay. Now listen first my instruction carefully. You don't have to write anything right now. I will send you this question answers on WhatsApp. So then you have to write. Okay? You don't need to write right now this question answers. Just I am explaining this question answers right now. So first question is, what do plant give us? First question is, what do plants give us? Okay. Now, plant give us food, you know very well. Plant give us food like cereals, pulses, grams, vegetables, fruits, sugar and oil. Okay, plants also provide fibers, wood, furniture, rubber, gum, spices, tea and coffee. Now plants give us oxygen to breathe. You know very well. Plants give us oxygen to breathe, and plants also help to bind the soil and help to conserve the soil. And also it brings us rain. So answer is plant give us food like cereals, pulses, fruits, vegetables, sugar, and oil, etc. Plants also provide us with wood, fiber, gum, spices, coffee, etc. Plant give us oxygen to breathe.
Okay, sir.
Plants bind the soil and help to conserve soil. And also bring rain. Okay, this is the first question. What do plant give us? So plant give us food like cereals, pulses, fruits, vegetables, sugar and oil, etc. Plants also provide us with wood, fiber, gum, spices, coffee, etc. Now plant also give us oxygen to breathe. Plants bind the soil and help to conserve the soil. And it also bring rain. Okay? This question you understood? Okay. Now, question number 2. What is the question number 2 from your book? What are the conditions necessary for germination? What is the second number question? What are the conditions necessary for germination? All of you know what are the 3 necessary conditions for germination? First, air, water and sunlight are the conditions necessary for germination. Okay, it is the second question from your book. What are the conditions necessary for germination? Air, second water and sunlight. These 3 are the most important for the condition necessary for germination process. Okay. Now the third question from your book. What is seed germination? What do you mean by this term, seed germination? You have already read in this chapter. What do you mean by this term? The process by which seed change into a seedling is called seed germination. Means when seed change into a seedling, this process is known as seed germination. So answer is the process by which seed changes into a seedling. Is called seed germination. Seed germination. Once again I am revising this question. What is seed germination? The process by which seed changes into a seedling. This process is known as seed germination. Okay. Now you will be more clear from this diagram. Open book page number 10. This is given in your book, page number 10, process of germination. You will be more clear from this diagram. This is seed and this is the process of seed germination. Okay. You also have to draw this diagram in this question also. Okay. Okay. Now, question number 4. Question number 4 is, what are the stages? What are the stages in seed germination? This is the question number 4 from your book. What are the stages in seed germination? Now, the stages in seed germination are: first point. What are the first point? Seed absorb water through seed hole. First point, seed absorb water through seed hole, and the cell of the embryo start dividing and increasing in size. Okay, so first point of this stage germination is seed absorb water through seed hole. The cell of the embryo start dividing and increasing in the size. Second point of this stage germination process, seed coat breaks. Now the cover of the seed coat will break. Seed coat breaks and open. And the root or the radicle. Root is also known as the radicle. Radicle sprouts and grow downwards. second point, seed coat breaks open and the root or the radicle sprouts and grow downward. This is the second point of stage germination process. Now third point. The shoot or the female start growing upward. Third point of this question. The shoot or the female start growing upward. Now last point of this stage germination process. I will say. Now the fourth point of this question, when the seedling grows green leaves it start making its own food. Okay, this is the fourth question of your book. What are the stages and seed germination? Now, question number 5. What is the question number 5? What is seed dispersal? In your book, question number 5 is, what is seed dispersal? What do you mean by this term? What is seed dispersal? The process by which seed are scattered from the mother plant. This process is known as seed dispersal. Now the answer is the process by which seeds are scattered away from the mother plant is called seed dispersal. Okay, this is the question number 5 from your book. What is seed dispersal? The process by which seed are scattered away from the mother plant. This process is known as seed dispersal. Now, next question. What is the next question in your book? Question number 6. What are the agents of seed dispersal? What are the Agent of seed dispersal. Question number 6. What are the agents of dispersal? What do you mean by this term? Agent of dispersal. The agent that carry out the dispersal process is known as agent of dispersal. Now, what are the agents of this dispersal? What are the agents? The agent of dispersal are the agents of dispersal are, you have read, first one is wind, then water, then animals, and by explosion of fruits. Okay, what are the agent of dispersal? The agent that carry out dispersal means the seed are scattered from one place to another. Means by which agents? The agent of dispersal are by wind, है ना? Seed is scattered by wind process, by water, by animal, and by explosion of fruits. Okay. All of you understood this question? Now question number 7. Okay. Question number 7. Which seeds are dispersed through which seeds are dispersed through water? You have already read in your book which seeds are dispersed through water. Answer: coconut and lotus seeds are dispersed through water. This is question number 7 from your book. Which seed are dispersed through water? Answer is coconut and lotus seed are dispersed through water. Okay, we have finished today up to question number 7. So you have to continue this question answers. We will continue tomorrow also. 4 or 5 questions are remaining and some extra question also remaining. So I am today giving you some questions. You have to maintain your notebook. I am sending on WhatsApp group. You have to maintain like that only. Do neat and clean work. Maintain index page also. And first question is you have to make like this. Look at here, all of you. You have to write index page, then leave one page, then start writing chapter 1, plant increasing the number. You have to do neat and clean work. Each and every student should write in good handwriting and neat and clean work. Then you have to write question number 1 from your book. Tick the correct option. All of you have done already this question in your book. It is also explained by Rajni ma'am. You also have done in your book. Question number 1, tick the correct option. Second, write true or false. Then third, define the following term. Then question number 4, fill in the blanks. Question number 5, match the following. Question number 6, answer the following question. Up to question number 7 you have to write and complete it. Okay? Thank you student. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.